Wanted to share. Look what can
So your nail today is 95. Is that okay?
Alright, these nails are done. So cute little design here. I don't know if you guys can really see it. I wanted to try the deep French, but it's alright. I think I'll probably go back to regular, or I probably should have got my design on every finger. But I'm super excited about today. It was productive as far as getting my maintenance done. So my next appointment will be my lashes. Recently got them filled, but I did do a nice cleanse and so a few shed. But you have to be on point. I'll see you guys on Tuesday when I get my lashes done. Hey guys, welcome to maintenance vlog day 2. So today is my eyelash day. As you guys can see, they are still cute, but I want them super popping for the trip. So right now I just pulled up to Marshall's. I was trying to find me a laptop bag because I feel I want to edit this vlog while I'm on vacation. If I don't have any homework for the well, it's really a workcation, so let me not say vacation. It's a workcation. But I decided that I want to start traveling with my MacBook. Am I the only person that uses the MacBook just to edit vlogs, like for nothing else? Like I use my phone for everything. But I'll take you guys into Marshall's with me if I find anything. But I do not want a backpack for my laptop. Yes. Okay guys, so no luck with the laptop bag or covering. Maybe that's what I need. So I guess when I probably get to California, and then I will, then I'll look for something maybe at Apple. So all right, so lash time. See y'all in an hour.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you're crazy. She loves it, guys.
Okay, so that is day 2 of my maintenance vlog. So day 3, we are going to get, no, I was gonna say hair, but I think I need to get an underarm wax. So I'll let them filters hit. Hey guys, welcome back to my maintenance vlog. I had an off day today, but I just wanted to share workcation. Oh my gosh. We're going live, guys. I am so excited because, sorry, I'm trying to give a little light, but this light is flickering, so just know lights are coming next. But yes, super excited about this deal. Wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. This looks like a cleaner, and of course I'm still vlogging on my phone. I'm so excited about this because my camera that I have currently that my daughter got me, it's a starter camera. It's great, but it's not a vlogging camera. So I'm actually using the tripod that came out of the box. That's how like geeked I was. And it came in this cute travel bag. And I'm excited for this one as well. Don't need to lose that. But I need some lotion. Let me do that. Because it's really hard to find men.